channel. In this video, let's do percentage calculation in three different methods in Power BI. Before doing percentage calculation, let's look on our data, how it looks. Here I am using this data which contains three columns: user ID, submitted feedback on, and feedback data. I have used this data from Excel source and I mentioned the source link in this video description. Kindly make use of it. And here, by using this data, we have to calculate the percentages of feedback. And here we are going to create a percentage in first method. In first method, I will be using new measure. Then I will go for new measure. Once I click new measure, now I will rename this measure into percentage. In percentage, I will be using a DAX function divide. In divide, it is asking for three parameters, which is numerator, denominator, and alternate result. In numerator, I will be using count for getting the count of this feedback. I will be using survey data feedback and I will close the bracket, comma. In denominator, I am going to use a DAX function called calculate, which is useful for doing advanced expressions. And in that calculate, I'm going to use count. In that, I'll be using survey data feedback, closing bracket, comma, and in filter, I'll be using all selected. And I will close the bracket of calculate and close the bracket of divide, and once it is completed I am going to commit it. Once I committed it, here in percentage of measure is created. Now I am going to create a chart by using this measure. Now let's go to report, and here I have already created a template for chart. In this template I am just going to drag the data. For that, here I will be dragging feedback into axis and percentage into values. Now, if you notice here, the format is not correct. For correcting that format, I'm going to click on that percentage, and in measure tools, you can change this format into percentage. And here the decimal points are automatically changed to 2. Let it be. Now we got the category wise percentages. Satisfactory 29 point percentage, and for very good it is 22.52 percentage. Now let's do the same thing in second method. I will be using this template, and in this I will be using feedback in axis, and same feedback I'm going to use it in values. It is automatically converted into count, but I don't want count. I want this in percentage. So I will be using show value as in percent of grand total. Once I click percent of grand total, here it is now reflecting in percentage. If you compare both charts, it's showing the similar results. Now what I will do, I will be going to create a slicer. In that slicer, I will be using feedback. And here if I click on any letter, like if I click bird, it is showing what is the percentage, and here if I click very good, it is showing the percentage. But here if you notice, it is showing 100%, but our expected results are not that. We need the exact percentage of that particular category. For getting that, I'm going to use a third method. In the third method, I am going to edit the first method of measure, which we have used in first method. Here in this DAX, I am going to edit this all selected. Instead of all selected, I am going to use all, and I will commit it. Once I commit it, here if you go to that chart, and now it is showing the same result, and now if you click on any category, now if you notice here it is showing 23.18 in third method. In second method and in first method, it was showing 100%. And same thing, if you do for no comments, it is same. And if you do multiple selections, even though it is showing the correct results in third method and in first and second method, it is not showing the correct percentage.